Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft vulnerable driver blacklist is grayed out in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is here at the keyboard, you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type regedit and click on OK to proceed. So your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open your registry editor. So let me just close everything so that we can see things clearly. Okay, so here we need to input or paste a registry path, which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So just copy this, Control C, and paste it here at the address bar. Control V to paste. Once done, click enter. So the moment you've clicked on it, you would be redirected here at the file folder named config. Okay? Again, our registry path is hkey underscore local underscore machine backward slash system backward slash current control set backward slash control backward slash ci backward slash config. Okay? So here you can see at the center of your screen a folder which is called vulnerable driver blacklist enable. Just have to make sure that the value data is 1. How? Just do a right click, go and modify, and make sure that the value data is 1. So if in your case it is 0, 2, or 3, make sure it is 1 to enable that and click on OK. So if in case you don't have such vulnerable driver blacklist enabled under the config, just have to create one. Okay, how? Do a right click, go with new, and go with dword 32-bit value. And here, rename the new value number 1 into vulnerable driver blacklist enable. Okay, so once done, change the value data into 1, and there you have it. Just have to close everything. Okay, and then close the registry editor as well, and there you have it. You have just successfully fixed your problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.